What a lovely day. Maybe I can play some games.
Hey, Sammie. No fun now. It's a nice day. Go outside, maybe on a trampoline or something.
Actually, I am hungry. I need to eat something. Good.
Hey, Sammie. Not healthy food? Come on. That's what you should eat. Banana, apple.
Life is so stressful. What I can do? Oh, I have an idea. Fidget spinner, that's what I need. For some reason, I'm still stressed. Maybe I need another fidget spinner. Or even one more. Still nothing. They don't work anymore. I need something else. That's what I need. Fidget Kul. I'm so relaxed now. Or maybe I need something else. Big fidget cube.
Yes, guys. Here we are. Look. It was just question of time. We knew they're gonna make something like this.
Yeah.
It's a fidget spinning cube.
Yeah.
Huge.
No, 2 fidgets in one.
Kind of, yeah. And what? We're supposed to feel relaxed now? Chilled?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it works. Anyway, we just wanted to show you this stuff, you know. Look at that. Just look at that.
Yeah.
No chance to be stressed anymore. You can turn it on, off. You can even
Playing FIFA with this.
like controllers, yeah?
Yeah, I'm playing FIFA singles.
Yep, you can click it if you wish. And anything else? Yeah, you can do something like that, or you can spin it. But it's not all. If you are still stressed, you can just pull this. You know?
Yeah.
And what? That's it. Okay, what next? We don't know. If you're gonna be stressed after this, there is no hope. I'm kidding, of course. What do you think, Sammie, about this stuff?
Cool.
For sure, it is an interesting stuff.
Yeah.
Stay with us, guys, and watch us next time.
Bye bye. Thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And watch us next time. And click the bell. if you want to have notifications about our videos.